What if I told you the US military copied a weapon from its enemy? Not a secret spy gadget, not alien technology, a cheap, noisy, flying bomb. This is the story of how Iran's simple suicide drone forced America to change its strategy. And it all starts with one drone, the Shahed 136. Now this thing does not look scary. It's small. It flies slow. It even sounds like a lawnmower in the sky. But here's the crazy part. It doesn't come back. It flies toward its target and explodes. At first, many people laughed at it. How dangerous can a slow drone be? Then dozens of them showed up at once. And suddenly, powerful air defense systems had a nightmare. Because each drone is cheap. But shooting it down, very expensive. Imagine using $1 million missile to destroy something that costs way less. Now imagine doing that again, and again, and again. That's when military planners realized something important. This wasn't about speed. It wasn't about stealth. It was about math. If you launch enough low-cost drones, you can overwhelm even advanced defenses. And the US was watching closely. Not because Iran was winning, but because the strategy made sense. So what did America do? It adapted. The US started pushing harder into low-cost, one-way attack drones, systems designed to be produced fast, used in large numbers, and even sacrificed if necessary. Because modern war is changing. It's no longer just about the most advanced, expensive weapon. It's about what you can replace, fast, in large numbers. Iran proved that simple technology, used the right way, can shake the battlefield. And the United States did what powerful militaries have always done. It learned, it improved, and it built its own version. So next time you see a weapon that looks simple, ask yourself, is it weak or is it smart? So what do you think? Did America copy Iran's drone because it was smart or because it had no other choice? Drop your opinion in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into the weapons changing global power right now, hit like, subscribe, and join me for the next reveal before it disappears.